Hi, I'm actress and stunt enthusiast Michelle Elise Schock, and this is my baby Fable. So Fable has been an easy enough baby that since her 1 month mark, she started sleeping through the night. But we were swaddling, and recently, with her progression and the ability to roll over both ways, we have had to eliminate the swaddle. With eliminating the swaddle comes no sleep. As a performer and with early time calls, I'm pretty used to not sleeping, but boy, the exhaustion of no sleep when you're a mom, there's no comparison. I was a little skeptical about the product. I had seen it on Facebook, I'd seen it in advertisements, and I saw that it uses a weighted kind of beanbag accessory on the chest or the back if they prefer to be a tummy sleeper and they're old enough. But I thought, how is that going to mimic mom's touch effectively enough? Are you having fun? I figured let's go ahead and try this product, and I ordered it. And we put it on her. And I forgot to mention that the first few nights that we unswaddled her, it was just treacherous, but also she was waking up, I was waking up to find her on her face. Parenting is terrifying enough, but finding your baby face down is really not a fun thing to come across at 2, 3 in the morning. So we got the product in, and I used it, and on the first night, it was like magic. She, as you can see, is a wiggle worm. But as soon as I put it on her, she passed right out and she stayed on her back. Now, she has started trying to roll back over with it. It doesn't totally prevent it, but she spends a lot more time staying on her back and me not having to fuss with her. And I used to have to sleep with my hand because she's next to my bed in a bassinet or in a pack and play. And I used to have to reach my hand in and leave my hand on her chest. Now I don't have to do that. With the weight of the bean bag on the sleep sack, she stays down the entire time. If you have a little wiggle worm like this, or if you have somebody that needs help sleeping, that is the product to get them, right? She's a happy baby now. And I am a happy, well-rested mommy.